Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on OnePlus Nord 5. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. Then choose your language. And from here you have to choose format data. And now you have to enter your verification code. Then click format. And click OK. And now you just have to wait. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.